इस वीडियो में हम 1 जून के करंट अफेयर को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो 1 जून का पहला करंट अफेयर है, इन मई 2021 द यूनियन एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर लॉन्च द युवा ऐप नहीं सॉरी युवा स्कीम लॉन्च करी गई। तो युवा स्कीम, युवा का फुल फॉर्म है यंग अपकमिंग एंड वर्सेटाइल ऑथर्स युवा, प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स स्कीम फॉर मेंटरिंग यंग ऑथर्स। आइडेंटिफाई द पॉइंट दैट आर करेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द प्रोग्राम। तो इसमें बी एंड सी आर करेक्ट। बी है युवा इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द न्यू इंडिया @75 प्रोजेक्ट टू एनकरेज युवा राइटर्स। 75 young authors under 30 year of age will be mentored by eminent authors along with the scholarship of 50,000 per month for a 6 month. So B and C, these are the correct about युवा. So the Ministry of Education, Department of Higher Education launched an author mentorship program युवा, young upcoming and versatile authors, Prime Minister's scheme for mentoring young authors to train young and budding authors below 30 age. The National Book Trust India and the Ministry of Education will be the implementing agency of the scheme. युवा is a part of the New India 75 project आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव to encourage young writers. Under युवा, 75 authors will be selected and trained by eminent authors mentors. They will also get consolidated scholarship of 50,000 per month for a period of 6 months. Next current affair we have, which organization introduced the word first nano urea liquid for farmers? So it is Indian Farmers Fertilizers Corporation Limited. Indian Farmers Fertilization Corporation introduced words first nano urea liquid for farmers. Indian Farmers Fertilizers Corporation Limited IFFCO has introduced the word first nano urea liquid for farmers during 15th annual general body virtual meeting. Scientists have developed indigenous nano urea liquid at the Nano Biotechnology Research Center, Kalol, Gujarat. It will reduce the excessive use of urea application in the soil and will make the crops stronger, healthier and protect them from lodging effect. Let's move to the next current affair. Name the Indian institute that topped among the Indian universities in the World University Ranking 2021. So it is IIM Ahmedabad. Top Indian institute in world's ranking is Indian Institute of Management, IIM Ahmedabad. Next current affair we have current affair number 4. Nitish Rakesh along with the Jerry Wind won the International Business Book of the Year award for their book Transformation in Times of Crisis. So इसको मैं दोबारा पढ़ता हूँ. नोशन प्रेस ऑथर नितिन राकेश एंड जेरी विंड won the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021 for their recently launched book Transformation in Times of Crisis. Nitin Rakesh is CEO and Executive Director of IIT Major Emphasis. So let's move to the next current affair. Who was appointed as the Director General of the National Investigation Agency? नेशनल यानी कि NIA के नए डायरेक्टर जनरल DG कौन बने हैं? तो कुलदीप सिंह DG of the Central CRPF has also been given additional charge as the DG of the NIA, National Investigation Agency. NIA is India's counter-terrorism task force headquartered at New Delhi. Let's move to the next current affair, which is Bal Swaraj, a digital real-time tracking and monitoring platform was launched to protect children who lost their parents in COVID-19. Which organization launched the portal? Bal Swaraj portal किसने लॉन्च किया? तो बाल स्वराज पोर्टल नेशनल कमीशन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स इसने लॉन्च किया. इन May 2021 द नेशनल कमीशन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स NCPCR, an organization under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, launched Bal Swaraj, an online tracking portal for real-time tracking and monitoring of the children who lost both either of their parents in COVID-19. Let's move to the next current affair. What is the theme of 2021 World Tobacco Day that is annually observed across the globe 31st May by the वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? तो 31 मई को वर्ल्ड टबैको वर्ल्ड टबैको डे बनाया जाता है। इस बार इसका जो थीम थी वो थी कमिट टू क्विट। नो टबैको डे, वर्ल्ड नो टबैको डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर अराउंड द वर्ल्ड ऑन 31st May to spread awareness about the dangers of using tobacco. According to the World Health Organization, tobacco kills more than 8 million people every year around the world. Theme of World No Tobacco Day is commit to quit. Commit to quit. Which state government recently introduced the concept of guardian minister? So Assam state government recently introduced the concept of guardian minister. Let's read about it. The government of Assam has introduced the system of the guardian minister. According to this system, 13 ministers will be responsible for the implementation of the government's policy decision, administrative reforms and other welfare scheme for the public in the district. Each minister would be assigned to 2 to 3 districts in the state. Let's move to the next current affair. Which different organization work under the motto Vayam Rakshamah or We Protect? So Indian Coast Guard works under the motto Vayam Rakshamah. About Indian Coast Guard, इसका मोटो है वयम रक्षमः वी प्रोटेक्ट। डायरेक्टर जनरल है कृष्ण स्वामी नटराजन, हेडक्वार्टर है न्यू दिल्ली। लेट्स मूव टू द लास्ट करंट अफेयर ऑफ द 1st June. Inflation that evolves from the past event and continues to affect the current economic condition are also known as built-in inflation. Built-in inflation is that kind of inflation which involves from the past event and continues to affect the current economic condition of nation. Built-in inflation that it may also be termed as hangover inflation. It is also called hangover inflation. So in next video we will read about the current affair of 2nd of June.